Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix email not working on your iPhone. Here are 3 simple ways to get your email working again. So let's get started. The first solution is to check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to strong Wi-Fi or using your cellular data. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. If your Wi-Fi signal isn't strong and fast, turn it off and use cellular data instead. This often solves the problem. The second solution is to check your email account settings. If your email still isn't working, it might be because your email address or password has changed. Open your iPhone settings. Scroll down to Apps. Tap on it again. Scroll down and find Mail. Go to the Mail section and look at your accounts. If anything has changed, delete the account and re-add it. Add accounts and enter your email ID and password. This refreshes the connection and often fixes the problem. The third solution is to clear the Mail app cache. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap General, and look for iPhone storage. Find the Mail app, tap on it, and choose to offload it. This clears the app's temporary data but keeps everything else safe. Once it's done, reinstall the app, and your emails should sync properly. And that's it. Your email should be working again. In other solutions, you should check your iPhone storage, which is why your iPhone won't download mail from the server to your iPhone. Watch my separate tutorial on how to free up space quickly. Another reason is if you have an issue with iCloud Mail, check your iCloud free space limited to 5 GB. That's under iCloud storage. Delete unwanted backups, such as the photo library, that were accidentally turned on by default. To fix other Mail app issues, such as notifications on the lock screen, notification sounds, batch count, removing unwanted icons, and more, watch my separate tutorial in the video description and pinned comment. If you found this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more new tricks and tips.